Let's make it rain. So delete the basic cube and add in a plane. Make the plane pretty big and drag it up above the scene. I'm going to want to now add in an icosphere, and this is going to be our rain drip, and this is going to be our rain emitter. So I'm going to select the particle system here, and I'm going to add in a new particle system, which is going to be emitter. Now you can see it's already raining, so that is great, but it's more dripping, but that's okay. We'll just keep it like that for right now. I want to go in here to the render properties here, change this from halo to object, and I'm going to select that icosphere. So now it's raining icospheres. So you can see a few little problems right away is this still has the shape. So I'm going to select this main icosphere. I'm going to change this to auto shade smooth. And now all these look smoothed out. Perfect. Now, what we want to do is add some variation to this rain. So I'm going to come in here, go to the render here. I'm going to change the scale to 0.02. And I'm going to change the scale randomness just a bit. So now this looks a lot better. This is starting to look good. I'm going to go in. I'm going to go to the velocity here. I'm going to change it on the Z to maybe -3, so it has like a little bit more speed to it. And let's randomize that velocity just a bit. That's looking good. That's giving it like a little bit of wave, but not too much. So that has that kind of chaos to it, and it's not perfectly just straight down. Excellent. Let's up the number of these to about 5,000. And let's change the frame end to, let's do 100. And let's change the frame end here to 100. So now it's looking like this. Excellent, it's a torrential downpour. Let's select this icosphere, go over to the shading editor. I'm in cycles mode right now, which is what we want for this because we want to be able to add in the refraction here. I'm gonna take a refraction BSDF, I'm gonna plug it into the surface. Now you can see it's nice and refracting, and now you can see all these rain drips are nice and refracting too. So if we play it, it's looking like this now, which is looking pretty good. Now the last thing you probably want to do is get rid of this big white sheet up here. So let's go back to the particle system here. Let's go to the render. Let's uncheck show emitter, and let's go down to the viewport display here and uncheck show emitter. Now it won't appear in either the final render or in the viewport. So that is how I would create rain in Blender. It's very, very quick and simple, and you can throw it easily into any scene you make. I hope some people find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.